These guys are so cool. I wish I had a kick-ass superhero alter ego. Oh well. Hey, there! Who the hell are you? Everything you've ever dreamed of. You know, what you said last night, the whole I wish I was a superhero thing. Oh, wait, hang on. You're telling me that my wish came true? You're my kick-ass superhero alter ego? Yes, I am. Awesome! I can't believe this! Let's see your costume then. Very well, but prepare yourself. I'm taking the superhero look to a new level of cool. I'm ready. Lay it on me. Imagine it. The fear in villains' eyes when they get a look at this. Wow. Tell me about it. Check out these babies. Made them myself. I'd never have guessed. So, what can you do? What can't I do? I'm the slickest superhero around these parts. I can take down a criminal in less than 6 seconds. Wanna know how? Go on, guess. Okay, invisibility? No. Super speed? Not quite. Can you fly? You're on the wrong lines. Think about fighting style. Oh, okay. Kung fu? Nope. Oh, what about awesome weapons? Now you're onto something. I got the sexiest, most kick-ass thief killer this side of Gotham. Whoa, can you show me? Prepare to meet your doom. Ah, what the hell was that? State-of-the-art mini catapult. And look, it's a pencil sharpener. What? Those bad guys won't know what to do when I hit them with this bad boy. Yeah, that was a minor inconvenience. So, who do you plan on rescuing with that exactly? Who can't I rescue? Hey, remember when poor old Rex got stuck in that tree? I got him down for you. I've never owned a dog. Of course you haven't. I was just testing you. Look, I'm not gonna lie. When I made that wish last night, I thought that having a superhero alter ego would be a bit more, you know, impressive. How dare you? Well, all you've done so far has been stupid. I can do better than that by myself. Ugh. Can you actually do anything useful? Yes, as it happens, I have a particular gift for strategy. Really? Go on then, imagine this. 5 guys are robbing a bank and they're holding everyone inside hostage. 3 of the guys have guns, but the other 2 are unarmed, and the building only has 1 exit. What do we do? All right then, I say we move with haste. We retrieve those hostages. We get them out through the door quite quickly. Seriously. Well, just give me 5 minutes. I can come up with something else. No, you know what? I don't think I want to be a superhero anymore. Just forget it, okay? Oh, so first you insult me and then you want to kick me out. Well, maybe I don't want to be your alter ego anyway. Good. You're rubbish. Bad guys would never be scared of you. Hey, are you trying to make me angry? Because you wouldn't like it when I'm angry. Why? Does it make your catapult turn into a rubber as well? Damn, why didn't I think of that? Just piss off, will you? No, I will not be spoken to like that. I am a superhero! Feel my wrath! Huh? What the? Oh, look what you made me do, you insolent Burke! I'm gonna draw all over you while you're asleep. I know just what to do with you. Get off me now! No! Ah! Ah! Oh, it hurts so good! Ah!